All right, welcome back. Now we're going to do a checkpoint, and in this checkpoint we're going to take these equations, we're going to convert them to rectangular form, okay? So we've got three polar equations, we're going to rewrite them as rectangular equations. So go ahead and pause, do it on your own, and then come back and see if you got the same answers. Okay, so for part A, we've got r equals 7. Again, think about it. This is a circle because we're saying the radius is equal to 7 regardless of the angle. Okay, so that means this is a circle centered at the origin with a radius of 7. So that means what? It's going to be, the equation is going to be 49 equals x squared plus y squared. Okay? Now what about this one? This is saying, hey, the angle is always pi over 4 regardless of the radius. So this is going to be a line that that makes an angle with the x-axis of pi over 4 or 45 degrees. And so now we're going to use tangent, right? So tangent theta equals y over x. And so tangent of theta, right? So what's tangent of pi over 4? So tangent of pi over 4 is 1, right? So think about it too. This is a 45-degree angle. So it's the identity matrix, or excuse me, not the identity. The identity equation, right? So this is going to give us what? 1 equals y over x, which then tells us that y equals x, which is what we thought it was going to be. Now C, what about this one here? Now again, we might have to think about this, use some ingenuity here. So we've got r equals 6 sine theta. Well, let's use the relationship we know, which is what? Sine, right? Sine theta. So sine theta equals what? Sine is y over r, right? So that means y equals r sine theta, okay? So here, why don't we do this? Why don't we substitute in y and r? Well, let's see here. Let's see what we can do here. Let's do this. Okay, so r, let's do sine theta equals r over 6. And sine is y over r. So let's rewrite this as y over r equals r over 6. Let's see here. Let's try something else. We want to get rid of the sine theta and the r. So y equals r sine theta. Oh, here. Okay, here. Let's do this. let's do this. Let's multiply this by r over r. Maybe this might give us the same thing that we were doing, but so if we multiply this by r over r, so that's 1, right? We can write this as 6 over r times r sine theta. And r sine theta is equal to y, so that's going to give us 6 over r times y. And so what do we get? We get r squared. Oh, here we go. We get r squared equals 6y. Nice. Okay, cool. Now we know what r squared is, right? We know the relationship with r squared. That's going to be the same as x squared plus y squared equals 6y. Aha! And there's our equation. Not bad. Have a great day.